The brand began with the exclusive philosophy of creating 50 units of its design, hence its names over time, and through its rapid success, the brand increased production but still retained the name to remember just on the first day. Hello everyone, welcome back. Here's Greco Lily. And today is a different day because I just had my birthday and I got a surprise from the owner of Jewelier Royals Appledorn in Nijmegen. That's located in Holland, and the owner is one of my best friends. She surprised me with this, guys. Uno de cincuenta. Let me introduce you. The brand, it is a Spanish brand, and they started their business late 90s. It becomes very famous all over the world. And the Uno de Cincuenta, the name is because every product or jewelry in other things they made is just limited from 1 to 50. It's just a limited 1 to 50. But nowadays it becomes very popular and everybody love this. Their unique jewelry in other accessories hold the name Uno de Cincuenta. So guys, look at this. This is just the box. And let me open it with you guys. It's quite hard to open. But wow, look at this. So what you can see now is it's the inclusive linen cloth. Wow. I got two. And this is what I'm talking about. It is their iconic padlock. This is it. This is the padlock with the round things from Uno de Cincuenta. And it is written there, Uno de Cincuenta. The first bracelet is made of leather with just one charms, which is their iconic padlock. Let me put it in my hand, guys, and I know you know how to adjust them. So I just want to show you how it's look like. Here by the pullas, I know you know how to use this, okay? And I've got this bracelet called Lucky Love. Why they call it Lucky Love? Because of the charms. The Uno de Cincuenta is always with this leather. And all the charms are different. It is handmade. That's why every product they made is unique. So, and mine is the Lucky Love bracelet. Of course, with this Uno de Cincuenta there. And the other one is here, Suerte, with the peace sign. And also this heart and love. And this is so cute. This hand our charm is such a cute one. And let me wear it, guys. Wow, look at this. Don't mind my fingernails. It is already more than 2 weeks old and I need a new manicure. But don't mind this, guys. Just look at this beautiful bracelet. The lock anywhere you want. It's so nice. We have summer. Love to wear those. Lot of dangling charms here. Really unique. This can be if you are wearing urban style or other style. It fits to any outfit. Silver and gold, you can mix it. They have also gold, but I received this one in silver. So I have to say thank you to my friend, uh, the owner of Jewelier Royals NL, Joy Muscat. And yeah, this is it. I've got two from Uno de Cincuenta. So guys, I will write to the description where you can order if you like to have one of these or you want to know more about Uno de Cincuenta. The bag is also so cute, isn't it? Oh, I think this is their new box. Really, really nice box. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Bye and God bless.